All right. So what is up, everybody? It's your boy John Deerman, 22 here. It's a fun start to harvest 2022. This is the first day. Of course, I wasn't out here all day, but I have some problems with the combine. Got a leak on one of the hoses. But yeah, there's the old 8400 and the Brent 544. We dumped what was left. We dumped what was in the combine onto the wagon, so there you guys can see the beans right there. I'm not gonna talk too loud here because so my grandpa, his brother, and my uncle are busy working on the bean head right now. Fun. We didn't get too far. We didn't do with a squat today. So hopefully tomorrow's better. Hopefully we can get it fixed. Get the bean head get that hose fixed, and we'll be ready to go again. So yeah. I tell ya, something else, hey? So, they moved everything. They bought everything over here this morning. Well, Papa took off with the truck and bean head, which the cart is right over there. So yeah, we'll try and make something happen tomorrow, I guess. Grandma bring me back out here, and then hopefully I can get another video. Yeah, sorry you guys, I know this one this one won't be very long, but anyway, broken. Yeah, they messed around with the combine because something broke when I came down here to get a video, and so that plan backfired, and then I switched over to plan. So this was supposed to be plan B, and that didn't work either. Well, so we're done for the day. Man, yeah. Why this crap happens, I don't know. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see it from here. No, you can't. I'd have to go out to the field to show you guys. But we didn't get a whole lot done. What a big pain in the butt anyway. So, yeah, if you guys are probably wondering where the heck the other Brent 544 and the 7820 is, well, we haven't brought it out over here yet, so, and we probably won't until corn or when we go back to when we combine beans at the farm, the main farm. So, yeah, just great, eh? But yeah, you can see the bean field. All the beans are ready here. So, yeah, but I guess this is probably where I'm gonna leave you guys for today. There's basically nothing more we can do tonight because it's gonna take them forever to get that hose, and then I gotta get the hose replaced, I'm assuming, or have to get it fixed. I don't know, one of the two. But I guess don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Make sure to hit that notification bell for each and every upload I do. And yeah. So, yeah, but I guess, I will talk to you guys later, and, well, I'll see you I'll see you all tomorrow if I can get another harvest video in. See you guys later. Bye for now. Stay safe out there, everybody. Later.